Jarek, welcome back to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show.
It's a pleasure being here once again.
Congratulations on being named one of Fast Company's most innovative companies, earning the #5 spot in the Applied AI category. What does this recognition mean to you and your team?
I think the part which I'm most proud of is that it's actually the applied AI category. We see ourselves as both a company which is actually doing deep tech, doing research on an academic level, but also really our mission is to bring that AI to our customers, to our users, and therefore the applied AI category is, I think, especially important for us, and it's great to see the recognition for all of the work that we've been doing over the years, and see that come to fruition. That's an amazing thing to the whole team.
You recently launched a new feature called Clarify. Can you walk us through how this interactive tool enhances the translation process?
Yes, sure, of course. I mean, if you think about translation, then quite often it is an easy task for an AI to be fully completed, and there's just basically no errors, no mistakes there. But quite often, when you're translating something, there might be some ambiguities in the text. Not everything comes like so clearly from the context. It's the situation when somebody would translate the text on their own. They would pick up the phone and call you and ask, "What did you mean, really? What was the purpose of that particular sentence, that particular word?" And this is where Clarify comes in. This is like basically this interaction between the AI and yourself, improving on the translation quality, where the AI asks you about what did you mean with that? How would you like that expressed in the other language, where kind of cultural nuances are maybe slightly different? And it allows really for the next stage of quality in translation. It's not one sentence to one sentence anymore. It's not this kind of very simple workflow anymore. It gives you much more possibilities to improve on the translation text.
You've also introduced DeepL Voice, your first live voice translation solution. How does this new tool expand the way businesses communicate?
Yeah, that's kind of a big frontier for us, and we've started 8 years ago working on translating text documents, and we've seen tremendous increases in our ability to do so, and helping our customers in many different workflows. I think right now the time has come really to think about the translation of spoken language anymore. There's so many companies who are so international, and where individual employees, offices, they're all struggling to communicate with each other. They have already great tools for doing so over email, over chat, but the meeting is still something that needs to be improved, and this is where DeepL Voice really kicks in, and this is where DeepL Voice helps, and our customers coming from all of the different countries, maybe not natively speaking English, are amazed by how this technology can improve their efficiency internally.
Your customer base has grown significantly, including many Fortune 500 companies. What's attracting businesses to DeepL solutions?
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, our customer growth has been immense, and I think that speaks to the quality and the usefulness of the AI in general, and that's for a very broad range of applications. Some of our customers use DeepL really for this internal communication workflow. Say you have a R&D office that is in Asia, but your markets are in the US. How do you communicate with the people who are sitting in another country? How do you make all of those workflows as efficient as possible? And the other a big part of what our customers use DeepL for is really the communication with their customers. Assume you want to open up a new market for your business. Let it be Brazil. You're faced with the options. Either you hire new people on the ground in Brazil. That's complicated. That's expensive. Maybe it's still an experiment, and you don't know how that's going to work out. A lot of our customers are just using the technology for it, and starting off with a new country, just handling it fully remotely out of their existing locations.
And finally, Jarek, what's next for DeepL as you continue expanding your offerings, especially following recent innovations and your new US Tech Hub?
Yeah, I mean, there's quite a lot that our customers are waiting for. I'm really expecting our AI possibilities to be able to cater even more in a personalized way to our customers' needs. Translation and language in general is a very personal thing, and it both applies to us as humans, but also companies and on our organizations. So this year is going to be a lot about a personalized AI experience within DeepL.
Jarek, congratulations again on being named one of Fast Company's most innovative companies, and thank you for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure being on the show.